Hey. Hi. What is today? Monday. Happy Monday, everyone. Happy Monday. Totally forgot. I was supposed to come on here with one earring. That's okay. I went to church yesterday, and I only had one of my sandals. Like, it has a loop on the front, it's a wedge, and the strap has a loop on the front of the shoe that actually I forgot to put my loop in, so it was just flap. I forgot to put the strap and the loop on the front of my sandal yesterday. So it would only be fitting that I come on today with one earring on. Right? Okay. Hi, everybody. Hi, Miriam. Long time no see. How are you? Okay. So today, I have been getting asked a lot of questions about our kit. And I don't really like to call it a kit. I don't know. I've always been put off by a kit. Let's turn that up a little bit. I know it's kind of like party to me. And you're in the direct sales business. Party is it's kind of like a turn off word. And kit to me is kind of a turn off word. But it's what you start your business with. So I've been getting a lot of questions about what comes in our kit. So I've invited a few of my friends to watch this video so that they will know and we can talk about it all together. And I'm going to do it during nap time because that is when I work. I work most of my business while my children are asleep and I don't have a million things going on. I might pop on and do a video as we're going out the door or while I'm doing, while I'm getting ready and stuff like that. But the bulk of my business is during my nap time. And I've always said that no one can get as much as a mommy done during nap time. A mommy during nap time can conquer the world. Okay? So the nap time hustle is real. You can get a whole day's worth, a whole day amount of work accomplished during nap time. So, let's just go ahead and jump on in here to what is in our beautiful kit. What are you going to get? Hey, Katie, how are you? Thanks, girl. I love your name. I love the way you spell your name. It is so beautiful. I love the uniqueness of it. Hi, Eunice. Hi, Kelly. How are y'all? I hope everybody's doing well. So what happens when you say, hey, Dee, I want to do what you're doing. I want to be a part of what you've got going on. And what's going to happen is you're going to hop on my website and you are going to fill out a form. It's called Become a Beauty Guide. And it's going to ask you some amazing questions, like whether you're light, medium, or dark complected. And that's how, I want to hear, Katie. I totally want to hear where it came from. I have a backstory with my name too. Anyway, so you're going to fill out light, medium, or dark, and that's going to be what type of kit you get. When I joined 22 months ago, I need to count it up. When I joined a few months ago, because that's all it feels like. It doesn't feel like I've been here that long, because it's just so much fun. I chose a light-based kit, and I got colors in my kit that went with my complexion. So that's what you're going to get. What's going to arrive at your door, plus you get me, and you get an amazing team of inspiring and empowering women who will, knock your socks off. So here you go. This is what's going to come to your door. I'm going to back it up. It comes in this beautiful box, black and white signature. Of course, I'm going to get asked. Yes, my box says LimeLife. We have changed. It will say LimeLife. And it has a magnetic closure. I love this box. I absolutely love this box. This box, I will keep it forever. So, because of how well it's made, and how beautiful it is. So you open it up and you've got it'll be all beautifully packaged and wrapped up in tissue paper with a little silver foiled logo. And then inside of it's going to be all of your amazing kits, all of your amazing items. So I'm going to start off with skincare. You get all of your skincare. Now, it's not going to be, you're not going to get to pick and choose your skincare. And that's okay. I found that I still get to try the product, and I get to get that product on anybody who does need that product. So don't look at it as, oh, I can't try that. I'm not getting what I need. Look at it as I'm getting what I need to put out there and get on people's faces. So you're going to get a bottle of cleanser, and it's going to come beautifully packaged in our little packaging here. And you're going to get full size of everything. Full size. You're not going to get samples. You're going to get full size. And y'all, I just got this beautiful bottle of cleanser in, and I absolutely love the way that the new leaf, the silver leaf here, the silver little sleeve, I keep saying leaf, silver sleeve, I love it. It looks so beautiful sitting, and I like the more squared off, clean line look. It's so pretty. So this is you'll get a cleanser, a full bottle of cleanser. Sorry, I didn't put my phone on Do Not Disturb. This is one of our older bottles because I'm not quite out of moisturizer yet. And I don't keep a lot of stock on my shelf. And if I do keep stock, it's for myself or for family or something. I try to keep a few things that are hot items that somebody might be like, hey, I'm out of my blah, 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 blah. Like cleanser or a mascara. That's one beautiful thing about this company. We actually don't like people to hold stock on their shelves. So I love that. You don't have to buy any stock. This right here is, our cleanser, our moisturizer. So another beautiful packaged moisturizer. You'll get a moisturizer. So a cleanser and a moisturizer. Then you are going to get a mask. And no matter what mask you get, you need it. Both of them because they're beautiful and they smell amazing and they do amazing things and they have great results. So you're going to get a mask. So you're going to get a full skincare line for your face. You're going to get due date, which is, if you've heard me talk about must do, we've changed that to due date. And you're going to get that. I feel like Vanna White. I hardly ever do these where people are actually, like, I'm not putting the product on, so I don't know what to do with my hands. So, this is due date. You're going to get due date, which is an amazing product. You can get so many benefits out of due date by itself. So, here we go. I'm going to line it. I wonder if I can tilt this down or move this back. I'm going to move it back a little bit more, so I'm kind of lining everything up there. So, you've got your cleanser and your moisturizer and your mask and your due date. Then you're going to get a Bamboo Renew. And y'all know I love this stuff. This stuff is the bomb. It's one of our body scrubs. So everybody needs the Bamboo Renew. It's a great exfoliant. I throw it in with my mask, my skin polish. I throw it in with my cleanser, and I use it as a microdermabrasion. I use it on my feet. I use it on before I shave. Doug uses it. So you're going to get a lot of products. So you've got products. So you've got all of your skincare, a little bit of body care as well. So let's jump on and see what makeup you get. I'm going to push this forward. So you're going to get a blender bud. And it's going to come in this cute little container, just like this. And it's going to come in this little air drying caddy. And I did not realize how you actually needed this little caddy. And because I normally just throw mine out on the counter. But this keeps like dust off of it. And it keeps air circulating in it so it doesn't smell. This is my blender bud. Like I said, I don't keep products. So yes, I'm showing a kit, my kit. And this is my blender bud. And it's used. Because that's, like I said, I don't have a product just laying around here. So, it is what it is. So, the next thing you're going to get is 3 powders. You're going to get 3 powders to choose from. No, excuse me. I'm sorry, I got interrupted. You're going to get 3 random powders. This is just an example of the powders you get. I absolutely love the powders that I got. I got this one here, which is the blush number 7. Kinsley? Shh. She's on the other side of the table playing. Blush number 7, which I'm wearing today. I'm wearing it on my eyes for eyeshadow. I'm wearing it on my cheeks. So I absolutely love this. I got a bronzer, and I actually use that on my eyes and cheeks and contour as well. And I got our setting powder. So there are like 6, 7 other powders to choose that are all together. So they'll send you 3 of those. Hi, Easton. Then you're going to get, let's keep rolling with going up to our eyes. You're going to get a full mascara and an eyeliner pen. This alone right here is amazing. Absolutely amazing. And then let's talk about lips. You're going to get one of our fabulous lip liner pens. I don't know if y'all have seen the new ones. They are self-sharpening. Look at that. So you go in here and you go click, 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 and then you untwist it, and it is sharpened and ready to use every time. Absolutely love it. So you'll get one of these. You'll get an enduring lip color, and you'll get a signature gloss. These are actually what I have on today. This is eyeliner number 1, dark nude. Dark nude with Angel Food Cake enduring lip color with a little bit of Believe gloss on it. Absolutely love that combination. And then you're going to get 2 of our signature lipsticks. You're going to get a Power Pout color and a hint of, hold on, I lost my train of thought because it's called 2 different things, and I just take a hint. Take a hint. See our beautiful catalog. So you're going to get a Power Pout color, which is going to be an opaque color. And this one is beautiful red. I love these hydrating, moisturizing, traditional lipsticks. And then you're going to get a Take a Hint color, which is going to be one of our sheer colors. And that is a little bit more buildable. So you can get a sheer look or you can build it up. And this one is beautiful. This is Prim and Proper. I think the other one was Red Hot, Perfect, Paint the Town Red, or I actually don't know because I forgot. Okay, on top of all of this amazing makeup, I think I've gone through all the makeup and all of the skincare. You're going to get a pack of our catalogs, our brand new catalogs, which are so beautiful. You're going to get foundation matching cards. And how these work is you just send whichever, you send them to your customers. And of course, you can just hold it up there, just like this. Let's see, let's find my Shinto one. I'm Shinto 1. Actually, that one right there. Like, that would be probably, actually, you need to shade match here. So, it will help you, it's a tool to help you shade match. So these are handy. I love them. And then you're going to get your career guides and your training, your career and compensation guides. These are so amazing. Just the training on these books alone, there's no way you can't not be successful if you follow the plans in this book. And that is exactly what I've been doing, is following the plans in the book and making my way through the career plan and the compensation plan one step at a time. So that is it. But what else is in this box other than amazing products? Me. You get me. So that is our kit. Our kit is valued over $380 worth of products. I normally don't really like to talk about that because the value on the kit is $169. So yes, you're getting a lot of product for your money, but you're getting an amazing start to an amazing business. And I think that's more important, and you can't put a value or a price tag on a way to kickstart a new career or a new life, or give you whatever it is you need in your life, whether you're looking for a sisterhood, a friendship, or you're looking for a way, as Doug mentioned in a live that he was talking with some girls here recently, something to do. How my something to do has turned into a full-time career here. And whether you're looking, whatever it is, whether you need some financial gain or financial support or help, there is so much here for you. So much here for you. And let me just talk a little bit about, if you join in June, we have an incentive going on that if you hit your fast start by the end of the month, then you're going to get 8 of our classified brushes. You're going to get 8 of them. You're going to get this powerhouse right here. You're going to get brush number 1, which is our tapered powder brush. You're going to get brush number 2, our all over powder brush. I absolutely love this brush. You're going to get brush number 4, which is our foundation brush. I love him too. Yes, they're guys. I don't know why they're guys. You're going to get a concealer brush. You're going to get the angled eyeshadow brush, which is really great. You're going to get a smoky eyeshadow brush, which I used today. I used all of these brushes today. You're going to get a lip brush. You're going to get an angled eyeliner brush. And that's it. That's 8. Yeah, you're going to get all these amazing brushes. That is what is added to that is what is added to the amount of the compensation plan and the fast start matching bonus, which is if you hit your fast start, which is totally doable. I think I've had only one person who jumped in and said it's just not for me right now, and didn't hit their fast start bonus. So that was an amazing way for her. Like, everybody has jumped up and pay once they hit their fast start bonus. You get points, which is a matched dollar for dollar. So 1 point is $1 here. So you get points, and with that fast start bonus, so you can earn free makeup, so you can add to your collection as you go. I'm going to just show you around. Some of the stuff that I get is 9 times out of 10, it's for free. So I'm going to give you a little tour of my makeup station here. And y'all bear with me, because some of this is mine and some of it's Michaela's.
Do not come on my side.
Don't come on your side. So I'm going to just give you a glance at some of the things that I have probably gotten for free and didn't have to pay for because of the amazing compensation plan and fast start bonuses and matching bonuses and all that kind of stuff. So I just want to leave y'all with that. If y'all have any further questions, please don't hesitate to ask. I love y'all, and I hope y'all have a blessed day. And we'll see what else I can get done during nap time. Bye. Cancel. Oh, hold on.